So from the earlier example where we talked about ray tracing, in SketchUp, there's not a ray tracing function going on, but we can still use some of the basic concepts we learned there to realize why certain pixels are certain colors here already in SketchUp on our screen. So the three concepts are, first, where is your camera? Now in SketchUp, there is no camera per se, not like in the diagram I showed earlier where you can actually see a camera. Instead, your drawing window, this entire white space that you see, is the virtual camera. So what you see on your screen, it's as if you're looking through a camera into this SketchUp world. So if you zoom out, the model hasn't moved away from you. Your camera has zoomed away from the model. And if you orbit, then your angle of your camera view has changed on this model. And so we see already that a white wall that you're looking at in SketchUp, if you orbit or you change the position of your camera, it can change the shading or what the color of each pixel looks like. So you always need to be aware, and this will make more and more sense as we go through the class, you need to be aware that one major component of a rendering is the position of your camera.